The Fap Turbo brand has been around for many years now, going all the way back to when forex robots were first commercially available. The Fap Turbo 3 forex robot follows on from its predecessors by trading in any market condition, whilst also being self-updating to adapt to the ever-changing forex market conditions. This forex robot trades on an impressive 8 currency pairs and even the world's most successful cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. You can choose to trade all or a select few currency pairs. The major currency pairs will usually have better spreads and execution due to the high amount of volume and liquidity they have. The expert advisor EA will analyze charts for potential trading signals based on the built-in algorithm. When it finds a signal, it can place and manage trades on behalf of the user. The settings can be customized to the user preferences. I would personally run forex robots with an ECN forex broker, as I find that they tend to have some of tightest spreads, lowest commissions and reliable execution speeds. Key features. Once a customer takes out a subscription, Fap Turbo 3 comes as part of a comprehensive package. Fap Turbo 3.0 Robot. Free forex brokers trading account registration with Mixchus and Telenex. Comprehensive 100-page user guide. Video tutorials. Optional virtual private server VPS. Fap Turbo 3 backtesting. There are some backtests shown on the Fap Turbo 3 website for potential users to refer to. The modeling quality is only 90%, which means real tick data, spreads and commission were not used. I much prefer 99% modeling quality, such as that done by Bert's Tick Data Suite, that uses tick data, real spreads and commissions such as that done by Forex Robotron. With this backtesting methodology, results are much more accurate. Fap Turbo 3 live results. To see the latest live verified trading account performance of all forex robots, please visit my Best Forex Robots results page. Fap Turbo 3 summary. Fap Turbo 3 is a very diverse multi-currency forex robot from MetaTrader 4 that includes detailed instructions, Bitcoin robot, Bitcoin indicator and dedicated 24/7 support. Not only that, but if you are unhappy with how it performs, then you have a 60-day no questions asked money-back guarantee. You could even run it for a while on demo and thus have a risk-free trial of the famous and reinvigorated Fap Turbo 3 robot. Setting up Fap Turbo 3.0. Implementation. The Fap Turbo 3.0 can be set up with any MT4 broker. Once purchased, the product comes as a .ex4 downloadable file, a script for MetaTrader, and can only run in MetaTrader 4 software. Therefore, MetaTrader must be already set up on your computer for the EA to operate smoothly at an optimal level. Once the robot successfully activates, it needs attaching to the relevant chart from where it will analyze the foreign exchange market and trade automatically on your behalf 24/5, as long as your computer is always on. Otherwise, you can still use a VPS for continuous robot trading. Trade settings. Fap Turbo 3 allows you to choose to either run with the default recommended scalper or MTS settings or tweak the parameters to align closer to your forex trading strategy. A large number of parameters exist, including manually setting lot size, which increases the leverage on the trade, making it higher risk, selecting specific days to trade, and adjusting take profit and stop loss levels.